My name's Tyreece Johnson. I work at John Lewis as a delivery tech. So basically, I kind of install washing machines and etc. And previously, before that, I was an engineer.
What have you been doing here this week?
So we've been learning about HMOs and serviced accommodations, which I've been trying to learn about for the past few months now. But I kind of haven't really been willing to take that step until I've come here. So yeah.
And what's it been like in the room?
It's been very, very good. I don't know how to kind of explain it. It's kind of energizing. It kind of makes you feel like you want to get up and do something because everyone in the room are doers. And me, unfortunately, my whole life I was a procrastinator, but being here makes me kind of want to be a doer. In fact, it doesn't make me want to be a doer, it's made me be a doer. I've gone out there and I've made about 6 calls, got rejected every single time, but that's not the most important thing. It's the fact that I've gone out and actually done it. So yeah.
And would you recommend this kind of environment to someone who's looking to push themselves?
No, definitely. That's why I'm trying to get on the academy course. But I definitely recommend to people that are actually looking to get into the property environment because you're surrounded by a bunch of people that kind of want to elevate you instead of, well, in my case, a bunch of people that kind of wanted to keep you at ground. When you're around the people that want to elevate you, kind of elevate yourself naturally. It just naturally happens.